All right, we're working on a 2006 Chevy Express 1500 with the 5.3 in it, and the compressor is bad. So I'm doing the compressor, the accumulator, the orifice, and anything else that I can see that needs to be changed. I ended up taking out the shroud, took out the overflow tank, the air box, so I could get to it easier, and the bottom shroud. So now I got a straight shot. I've already replaced the orifice. I've already done the accumulator, both seals. We did a high-low pressure switch, and should be a straightforward, easy job to get the compressor, which is down at the bottom over here. We did end up going with AutoZone, which had the whole kit with a lifetime warranty for $400 and I believe $425. Accumulator. The old orifice definitely needed to be replaced. Had some debris on it. Some of the parts. And then once it all gets back together, I'll pull the system down, get the moisture out of it, and put it back together. And hopefully she blows nice and cold. All right, hope that helps somebody out.